Uy guys, ano nangyari dito guys? Bakit siya nakabaliktad? Okay lang ba siya guys? I think we need to help them. Kasi kawawa naman. Kawawa naman yung mascot guys, nakabaliktad. Baka nakabaliktad rin yung tao sa loob. Kawawa naman, walang tumutulong. By the way guys, andito ako sa Lotus because I'm going to get my 2x2 picture for my school requirements. And pagkapasok ko sa mall, ito yung first na nakita ko. Kawawa naman siya guys. Tutulungan ko ba? Paano naman ba to nangyari? Paano siya nabaliktad? Parang natumba ata yung tao guys. Kawawa naman. Natas nabaliktad. Paano yan? Tinatouch namin, tas minsan tumatalon guys, tingnan nyo lang. Ayan, nilapitan ko na siya guys, kasi hindi ko na ma-resist na tulungan guys, kawawa naman. Paano ba to baliktarin guys? At saka paano naman to nangyari in the first place? Inflated kasi with air yan guys, kaya mahirap i-control. Ang dami ring mga tao na tumitingin at nagtataka. May nakikita nga ako na gustong tumulong eh. Hindi kami makaalis-alis guys kasi tinitignan lang namin siya. Pero ang cute naman, ang cute. Pwede mong hawakan yung kamay niya, tas lang. May nakikita rin kaya akong ganito sa TikTok, yung mga nakabaliktad na mascot. Bakit kaya sila nababaliktad? Acting lang ba to guys? Because they might want attention, they might want to like catch people's eyes, or totoo ba talaga to na kailangan ng tulong? Nagtataka rin ako kung bakit nangyayari to eh. Panoorin natin guys, let's see what happens if you're curious, because eventually I know that this bear will stand up. I will try to help itself. Nakakatuwa kaya siya panoorin eh. At saka ang daming taong tumitingin, may nagvi-video pa, including us. Oh guys, tingnan nyo, natumba siya guys. Ano kayang ginagawa niya? It's trying to help itself. I-cheer nyo guys. Go! You can do it! Ayan, tinutulungan na ng nanay ko guys. Ay, pero tumayo sa sarili niya guys. Woo! It did it! Tumayo na sa sarili niya guys kasi walang tumulong. Ayan, lesson of the day. Tulungan niyo sarili niyo pag walang tumutulong sa'yo. Kasi ang daming taong tumitingin sa bear na to, walang tumulong. So, help yourself at the end of the day. So, tingnan niyo tong bear guys. If you fall, try to stand back up. Help yourself. Or if you, pag nabaliktaran ka guys. Okay guys, that's my day. Thank you for watching.